And about the camp of the NPP, there's a certain fire on the mountain. Abuja Paul Yandoh, Ashanti Regional NPP Communication Officer, or reply to Okatakyie Afrifa Sabon. So now first, Dr Frimpong Kodua, NPP General Secretary, will issue letter I was sake one of the NPP founding members, Dr Frimpong Boatin. I'm a do we abia deja on the internet. I have Penyah block media. Mess was a need. Obe like video no other one subscribe button subscribe click notification icon updates number to the web and the mama ever comment section so baswa let's begin with a free for early Paul Yandoh. Only must say Paul Yandoh or the NPP Ashanti Regional Communication Officer or yin packet wasa got the whole of Ashanti region baby NPP stronghold or no and the party's communication officer else or no or yes serious with business. Just as somebody will say, well, it's so serious. What I say. But Obekaya Abra IMF for the report I say gold board. Akoton good aboka no aboka $214 million no. Now obi a kind of bed you be a kind on the internet. And then I'm some of the Ashanti Regional NPP Communication Officer Paul Yandoh. I go PM on one of the TV station. I think Unia go PM Unia a horn and I go to them no there. Se meja mfi no mama ye mo na senior mo for now no no blame ne sa normal because gold no koton ye na gold no ebi kura ye ka sei or dey kono enam shape ne so no ebi free gu nsuo ni mu wan hu no ana ebi kura ebi a gold no you know say gold honhom ebi a de na honhom no lie etu ayila etinuma ye blame se meja mfi. Look at this. Look at this. And Paul Yandoh happens to be someone in politics. Never say why a political comedian. Ghana. Or Kasa no brother from no most. Or Kasa no be other for no most. Or Kasa no for no most. He's someone as Samba. That's why we can be a number from fun serious. Because no Paul Yandoh there obey a concept or the cracky jokes. I'm yasser. Say a critical issue. Ghana gold and yakotona IMF and NPP from IMF International Monetary Fund even internationally globally no ya notice Ghana cotton gold aboka I was here asem then a buy dive deep now a whole NPP stronghold a region like Ashanti region communication officer other party kwakasa was yana gold in say be free group when hunu they are home 2 years when hunu I don't know kind of free blast no I never say there be I didn't Paul Yandoh onye serious. Now he doesn't deserve any position in NPP. More revoking position be on your normal party member the best obey any jokes because OPN or NDC more or crop position or your concept or you comedy. Say the Paul Yandoh you comedy OPN you can't pinpoint at one person OPN or NDC more or your comedy assemble. They are all serious with business. Imagine some media opposition. Anna IMF edge report about say Ghana yakoton gold aboka and campaign for Nkomawu and some media film munyaso and Nkomawu ka them dead and Nkomawu some media Vincent Nkomawu and Nkomawu about who man no pay wi anwumla Nkomawu economic risk and Nkomawu ko abetena gasen but Samira said, my husband is economic risk. Wakotongo da boka. I uncle Movu. But Paul Yandoh is rather defending Samira with concert. With concert. I'm every blasted. Every blasted was here. Paul Yandoh also want TSC. In don't talk of more Ezra TV. Or quite not 70 say. Say free far. I no say. I the ask my no how to see children. No. I free far there. Anyway, Okatakyie Afrifa say, if talking against the NDC is easier, why did Afrifa run to go and hide in USA? If talking against the NDC is so easy, why did Afrifa run away to go and hide in USA? Paul Yandoh, what's my can ye pass here? They say, yeah, you know, we'll come here who is Afrifa scholarship. For the schools, we're a law student. When you scholarship, to us USA, any guy, when you scholarship, more on co school and answer it. Or what Ghana ha, you have free fire, when you mukwata, Nisha away, and never free for baby so. Nyansa or do good nipani bitrimo, Mukwata, Kota. Now, I say, Why did he run? Well, you are not going to. Oh, when is what everybody can be? When is someone imagine say in opposition say semi jam fi nya MP before this issue and ka obeka so bara what na say oh we normal o mu ko ton gold na wo po Yandoh with all due respect say wo na do gold asoma me say me go ton mra ma ko ton gold no wo ni say gold am go ton betime nya sika bi sei ma ko ton na me ko ton ba ye no sika na nso ma ko boka wo so na me ka tro say oh Yandoh dey fa nsa gold kwale bia eye honhom me dey kon ebi free egu fa bia me anhu no ana ase dey fa nsa bia gold eye honhom de honhom no etu ayila etinama eswatia ka obeje sanse mhunu ya to obeje sanse mhunu ya ignorant speech ka beti ase sometimes asemba we should be on eye nice as humans obeje little jovial obe creative jokes ama manfo ni age on fine you are trying to make more fans for yourself. Interesting, but not any adibia na dey concept. Adibia you need critical attention. Any baby na dey jokes. We all make jokes. Me platforms that sometimes me crack jokes. Me followers energy omo hwe esere. Release this stress. But any critical issue. Any baby na dey concept e kon ho. There be any issue bi na dey agro woni so dodo. Any issue bi na dey agro kon ho. There be baby on one, you should be serious with issues. Asma ba o maya ko tungo da baka ya address ya. Now the concept about him. Say ana go to free group mu. E be dey free group mu. Say go to free group mu na wo hu say ya go no ko na ekura no nsem. Ekura na bi free top ni mu. Asma wo kan ekura ase ne say. For Yandoh just serious. Oh just serious David. For Yandoh just serious. He doesn't deserve a position. And I'm repeating this. For Yandoh doesn't deserve to be a region that I belong to. I can't afford to watch Yandoh as my communication director. He doesn't fit, Master. He's not fit for the job. Ultimate concept, or he's not fit. You can cry, but he's not fit. He doesn't deserve any position in the NPP. Minim ade awayama party, but because of his social media appearance and mannerism, he doesn't qualify for any position. Because at this point, he cannot change, and he doesn't qualify for any position. Now, I wish let's go to the main issue. There is a serious fire on the mountain when it comes to the NPP party, Tension be asset in between, Dr. Frimpong or your former environment minister, Akufo in the first term from 2017 to 2021. Now, Dr. Frimpong, I can say, Akufo first term among the position as minister for environment, 2021. Yeah, trouble go in 2020. One someone position be. Or Akufo relay him and pick another person to carry on with that ministry. But I say, man, the power for that position, so. Now from there, now the Galam says na be the Ghana had in 2022. I Akufo certain committees and the omunya yuhimu enfa Galam say ho na omuma no report. Na on hwa de the Galam say nema said that committee of form Not the former environment minister. I hear Dr. Frimpong Boatin canas me. I say Dr. Frimpong Boatin kana onyen baketu asa. He's a physician and cardiothoracic surgeon. Oh yes, surgeon. Report now omo kwatana say say wa label almost the NPP members wa label mat galamsey campaigns. And honema that issue say MP for galamsey campaigns na e bae. Through the report of Dr. Frimpong Boatin. Or no report of Koye on Galamsey. The report labeled the NPP as Galamsey campaigns. It was an article there. Now, we are talking about Mahama Irene year 25 years. Frimpong Boatin saying the Galamsey analysis is medium. Now, it's hard by just on there, he's still on the next of the NPP for Galamsey. And was quite the list. Nipo say, I was say, Yetimi Mahama Abani Timi Chiwomugum concern the issue of Galamsey. You could invite you just a positive to money there, or the full list to be ever as a list, NPP force our woman more. Nase on issues beyond Obeka Saba Galamsey, he labeled on one party NPP as Galamsey party. And any many other conversation because and come or dinner or Montana so I man the peer media so I say Nina and come in and I say it is destroying the integrity of NPP as a party. I know And then people penify that when he didn't also there be there, master. This man is doing too much. A woman said, oh, you are one of the founding members, NPP party members. Yet now we can't be. But yet me show some man can the open side now found it's because of that no. The NPP General Secretary Dr Frimpong Kodua I issue letter no more or try to opese or sake Dr Frimpong Boateng.
Na pom te saying
obi mejo so me ho ye na so
nyame adom na asylum down ye bokode
onyankopɔ adom bibia da na kroma ye boaboa ye ho for January 31st your presidential prime mission
enti any statement no any distraction emamo
there be cry because adwuma no eka ho we general secretary administrator of the party issues be baba bia fa party no bia na e wa said dey say obetu anamo aba ye kotuno January 31st party no true neck and national council ya te elections committee ya omo na manage January 31st about na so far adwuma mo yes so eso nipa obia so ebo mabaso
but I mean I should think sir, for someone the stature of Professor Frimpong Boateng no or you be our party be mu a party ne de ne be hwa won ho coming to this decision no should have been very difficult for Momeboa.
Obi mamen fa kunya usna menchia watifo. Obia unim MPP abokosem. Efi bra ye nanamo eti UGCC. Sebi ye tanga na mayosema obie no obetimaka obeyi Dr. JB Damka efi. Kobi woneme ya adwene se no ye pabene pa meboa.
Oh sure.
Se ye ka MPP efi sebi ye nanamo kwa ebi ma onko school efa obite bafo akoto. Se do mujina ma party no NLM adwuma mo ye hwe mpanifo bi ti se Jato Kalu mo Abeifa Kabo mo SB Dombo mo yembe yenim kra yembe hwe Progress Party Professor Buzia adwuma be ye Prime Minister uyi ofu of the Towusu eba be party no PFP oba 92 Professor Edu Buahe adwuma be ye ma party no sebi impenifu a mabeso party ye appear minka sa impenifu nyina so o mabe bi ko obi enti NPP party a sebi he party e wo impenifu a o masua de akuku danfo mo ni dia brano bia no ebredu say so me ye adwuma ma party na o mo ye ma party na party ne kai o ene impenifu ye bo mu din nyina no ye kai o mo se o mu twana mapa ebrano mo tiase ye kai o mo se omu ye dwumaden e de ma party no sebi omu ye no ma bia ense ene fata obi ne kamibodi no kamimbo mudi the NPP party ne de sebi branu bia yo mpeniform di party ne oba krata mediba bontia no paya se de o kan e bia kemenya kan manesa nanso so akobasa evi se ye to about 2024 ewie ye party no ye gitum se no ma e course 2024 ID nkuku na anye ye de
yes
enti ye ya dwen se ye mema yura Professor Michael Kwi na bedwakuo akoga na fa na nyina no akotiti adekonti ankunimdi amba etoso biemo se party ye self se ade e friend security and intelligence na bi ne constitution se bia ma yesem bia no ya eso wutimi hwehwia na hu no me koso ensema enkofo kafa ho empunome bichi a obetimenya hu information otu anamo obi one of the key amendments a year with constitution and they say the security and intelligence unit a share party nim ye na empo said that no get to omo na sabi behind the scene adwuma omo information omo dey bring nyina no so far make say information about 99% are accurate one of them and they say ye kofobu we you mu a ya bo mo pa no ma dwen say party no asundwe bema embo aban otisu eti se bia na ese kan sema de bia de beba party nim de bia se be de division beba party nim de bia de nchichemu beba party nim na nwanwa se bi se de wa kan Professor Frimpong Boateng se bi kan Ghana ha obi anim ene obi akora anim se ba se de obi omnim akoma ho asem yi ho emergency no operation de obi an so ya de na de na akosinti a opani se bi obi anka no bi ansiye no akwotena TV so na obeka se ne party asebi wanya mu minister di okase party ni fake obi se bi otu a woye wadwuman kase bia obeka bia no ena na mo bia betu bia no obi so nim de woye ena onim susanso e wo so
sure
ena results amepe se bi nipa bia nya na de kwa opani na de a woye no se bi obi enim onso nim so obi na abon the pa a into oye sadiem if it's a question obu sa say party now say fake that ben na who say fake time I would be minister and the one who say party ni fake etosu biem osa make allegations say by a court 2023 Habano was killed for His Excellency Dr. Muhammadu Bamia until 2023 na ye to abano well 2023 one who say party ni fake 2024 one who say party ni fake 2025 one who say party ni fake then next year January 2026 Sabri ayakwakoto presidential primaries e ho na one who say party ni fake et se bapa na de na woye no nim de woye wa sheda eni nkofobia bo mo pa se aban no ma e koso a NPP betina kasa no se bi enyi adwin fi so ye ma de dem bra babonten obi na me no kasa unim se curriculum a ye di si ade education sector any se aban da question ma LGBTQ ho asem se bi gender identity ene ye se ye wo kwa na ye be ma no oba unyina otim kasa da bi me ye be ma kwa me oba ene kan ho asem na ye se ye kan wo memma FM menen so enam se pese divert attention ti ye ma obi nkotena TV so no ka asem no divert attention it will be no more costing enye wonwa and we are expecting some people to in the coming days some years are no man e ye to your presidential primaries so a yenim se nkofobi wo ha o meshada I can say ma a bit divert attention if no maybe a cost of memo but I can assure you say as a party we are prepared for such people na na dey better say am o make kan say ma e dey titimu beba party no aka kan say ma e go party no fi na kata me try no oboni be say due process ko ka say bi ade a say speaker also on count there we are expecting say kono ka kana pe kwa kata NPP for say NPP for me say me jam party no because I na party match e mna ne tire say obeso ojai a kata ba so ojai but onya kokudu obeye international and transit can say be onya kokudu nti yesu akwakoda enti na me no ka say je me kata processor e chewa article 444 said neck now to me say obi ye no ma bi a tia party no obi ya de bi a emboa party na neck na betimati na set ade pakon yentwene sansa yentwene nsan na say ye nyini free party no ene na me say recommendation no akoma next step ni no adwuma a wo di ni no ma wo ye no say won self ata say obeka people na no aye nyini free party no busa me a de tie no
it as we speak no enne enya de amoyi na free party nim as we speak and a recommendation why you the neck.
The command neck and sanity.
It is subject to the approval of neck.
Yes, neck no ye neck can be. And you could do a the SCA can be better. And I'm with DBS said will be a dog party and a good party no be. And no more papa need to any idea Benedict. And more DBS and neck you do said the SCA no matter next to the normal but to say the SCA to now.
Now for a process like this, no Muntiminye referral be out to the disciplinary committee.
Sabi constitution no my kwan fast and I'm quote article 444 no recommendation that command next who to me say send wo ha so more chance no kan wasem the constitution na you this one me dey adwuma.
Yeah, I get you, but as a lawyer, so wouldn't say the rules of natural justice would apply in a case like this, isn't he? Say a connector, would he be given the opportunity to be heard?
Constitution also can wasem. Say neck no make a recommendation now. You have a right to appeal.
Okay.
And you draw on now say neck not take a decision. Say should my award done no and self attach over kind no one sem can be wait my respond.
And no appeal to why?
A body no.
To neck as a body?
Yes, say some of my back chairman, I know nyadwe. And now if next so a national council so national council is a higher authority than neck. The bar said or Tibiano or who council with my respond.
Yeah, the MME Busa questions when and say we've had instances party members are exhibiting anti-party conduct, and we've read statements from you what refer or move to the disciplinary committee. How is this one different?
Obi, you were and send you ha. Ubetimaka etia me send me general secretary. Say my name Jinwa. Meet me I refer or not say meet my petition. I command disciplinary committee so I can meet me general secretary my name John. Or with my cassette party penny be all party name. So I had they be when in John. And no all the back petition at the command disciplinary committee so much. Name would attack a party no. This time no personality now attacking no. NPP party and now attack a party and say party ni fake. Say party ni faker. Say be. And no one no more to no. Next take a decision no. Because I didn't know what say faker and now what me then. Now all be prime more answer we ask our question way.
Oh.
And say be now all be we are multimedia.
Yes.
Say we bet ma criticize the staff will be all multimedia bet ma say will be adwuma we cry and so any.
Sure.
Then the one na dem boa.
Sure.
Then we bet try to catch us a multimedia sempa. Staff or to a station is fake. Station in your papa or no call what the country or so or what station wa. Obi mama not now.
That's extreme. But say what share need dear na because what I heard him say, I may be wrong. And he said the MPP he knew. And yeah, no MPP about MPP way there. A fake. Not just not only original MPP, no. The version now no say a fake.
Oh, the mama sambo.
Okay.
Was MPP now a was here no nim na virtual. Me boy. Na and Ghana party be na virtual. And this party na virtual no so ko join. Ni won say won na kwete na virtual party. But Ghana mram there NPP party na virtual. A party I register your office obi ani your quarters. And who asem na make. And who asem na work say fake. And then one new year na me so me year no ade amano. But say virtual who asem there. Say bi sunsun ma asem ni virtual who asem there. Obi mi nim obi. Me ntimi kan wasem.
Okay. Enti what it means they say party member be a 8 year wa. Omun who say there are some commenter ebe lande or disciplinary committee and your comment being so away it will lead to expulsion from the party. E was so much nenya santi ase no.
And that's what tiase. And that's aso na ebe because aso ban ya e koso ne de. Sabi untimi hand di party atem. No as aka so a member. And I make catch say can the pepper mo a and we expect say ba na kono attract kata ba say oh party no kwa me am film. Can the papa mo asabi for our kwatra se ka be ma don sinsu no waham wa wo say party ni fake na obi ade e fake there obetima abon dero
dabi
ade e fake there obetima di akiri e dey say bo say party ni fake say fake wa twu free party no te ka papa ni ese no on track tata nembra say mi kwa party no bejai dan say e beka say bi e ne conduct mpo e to obi e party ni there ye mo obi ati ase say bi obi no obro party ni so obi no wa say be osusun NPP party no in 25% party no ebi akọ bebi aduru na ye tiasi say ye be hwese party no na ma betutu ye na nipa bi a ofri say bi oba be hye mu ye bobo pa obekeka nsem a edide beba party no ebugu party no fin na say bi party no ma eda ye nso a ye hwese say after January 31st ye be ka bom ne ye adwuma ne de ye se e pedodo ba da bi na dodo nya ne hia dodo ababu emu a obese e kanko de sa dodo ne be yo mafiri mu ama ye ya se bi wa koma pass be di party lechi no ye di atna say ye adwuma
o party member ba ko Belgium ye friend ranking member or say Obi they only see indiscipline when one criticizes their candidate. We have a whole regional chairman insulting elders of the party day and night, but that one they haven't seen it. This selective response cannot bring unity. The application of the rules must be fairly applied to anyone who brings the name of the party into public ridicule. A day now be catch a ranking member.
Obi, Sebi, the Pacono can be entitled to his opinion. But as general secretary of the party, Sebi, Hemrano party man and the Miyajuma. Obi Sama Sem Mami Yano.
Sure.
So Obi ta sem family one. No process to submit my petition. Nemo who attack a party na ɛne deɛ party na no obedi
Yes.
and nipa so hu so see them ebu ha party constitution omo kan ye omo kokan no omo nte party na na se
Asempa FM.
it asema make there is an attack on the institution of the New Patriotic Party. It's not an attack on general secretary. It's not an attack on any personality. Party na say be na you woman in TFA NPP for no and will be AD party na tem na say be so tie na office your party ni will be the party na tem na fi say a normal a writer also ho an pa
Enti Sisiano, the there was a a convening meeting on this issue, right?
Next we be take a decision on to the yan so be enya botany and train na next e bedu a next so do ma sama beto abont.
That's fine. And for now, can he still hold himself up as a member of the party?
Na obi ase ade fake there. Favorite marker so account. So now we dey one ho asem that.
Some neck in deciding you.
But so no I say ade ni fake. Nti ono no ade fake won ka ho. Nti I'll be surprised say who bit me busa no or bit marker so MPP ni. O pa friend busa say o MPP ni a.
Me pacho you. General Secretary ma yen nase bibia ni a yebese aba bedin komobio. Why?
Obi Mr. Medas.
Yeah, that's the General Secretary of the Opposition NPP.
I'm away. Abeye asem sebe. Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.